So if you are new to programming and you have Vscode, like you use Vscode, you can install extensions or plugins to your Vscode to make work easy for you. So I'm going to be showing you various extensions I have in my Vscode. So I have safe typing. Safe typing. So safe typing helps you to save your code, like while typing the code. It saves in real time automatically if you're typing the codes. And I have also live server. Live server helps you to run a code in development. Like if you are still coding and you want to view what you're coding on your browser or on another device, you can use live server to run that. Then I also have Emmet, Emmet Live. Emmet uses like abbreviations to help you with coding. Like you can use abbreviations to import scripts. I also have autosave on Windows Change. Autosave on Windows Change helps you to save a particular window when you switch to another window while coding. So you can also install GitHub extensions or Stack Overflow or Python maybe if you're coding Python, and also prettier. Prettier makes your theme, like your code, um, it customizes the color and makes everything more pretty.